Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to brighten your skin in the Face app in 2026. Do you want a brighter, more vibrant skin in your photo? The Face app can help you achieve that instantly, and here's exactly how. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the Face app application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the Face app Perfect Face Editor. Once you find it, it is the one developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. So make sure to never mix it with another app. And once you finish the installation, you're gonna choose a picture. You're gonna grant the application permission to access the features or the camera and the gallery. So it can display your pictures here in the dashboard, or you can alternatively take an instant photo using your camera. Once you upload the photo, you're gonna go to the section in the bottom to the toolbar and go to the skin or retouch section. You're gonna click on skin here and you're gonna find a lot of filters. Now from these filters, you're gonna select the brightness or glow option. So you're gonna select the smooth or as you can see here, you're gonna find the freckles, the smooth, the tan, no eye bags, the clear. You can either choose the clear one or the glowing one, as you can see here. But these two require a premium version of the Face app. You're gonna have to pay for the premium features. Now, if you want to use these two, you can pay for the premium version. Then you're gonna apply the filter and adjust the intensity. Then you're gonna save your results. Now, brightening your skin can make your photos pop. So use the Face app to enhance your look naturally. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.